Quema llanta. Quiero mirar que quemes llanta. Man, today was a pretty good day, man. Drink a few chelitas and shit. Got a little bit tipsy. But should be out of here work pretty soon. I'll put this shit back. About to go echar some pedidos right now. Yeah, I don't know, just stay tuned. Today is a pretty long day at work. I'm about to go fucking repartir some cement bags. So yeah, man, stay tuned later when I go get something to eat. I don't know, should I get like some burritos? Or should I get some chilaquiles? Or should I get a torta? Tap in. Shit got fucked up, dog. Hell camber up in that hole. About to unload all this. Get myself a cameraman, man. I just got here. Soon enough I'll get myself a cameraman so I can get all the footage, all the action that I've been getting, because it took a while, not a while, but we had to take out the cement bags that were up in there. As you guys can see, they're all posted up. Just like that, you know? ¿Cómo lo hago? ¿Qué hago? Got my tacos de barbacoa. You already know. Kind of crunchy, kind of soft. If you know, you know. Ooh, with the salsita. Oh man, check this out. Ooh, look at all that meat. Ooh, boy. You gotta get your taquito like that. Open that hole. Feel a little bit of that. A little bit of this. Ooh, baby. Can't forget your lime, cuz. Ooh. Yes, sir. I ain't gotta go in for the bite, dog. Mmm. Nice one's hot. Stay tuned, tap in, subscribe, like, comment whatever you guys want me to keep on recording. Yeah, just stay tuned and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jordan. Hey.